Hi there, it's Josh here at the Classic Competition Company. Today we're out here with a beautiful Norton Commando Fastback 750. This one will be drawn in December 2024. If you fancy a ticket, go to the website. They're $2.99 and the website is theclassiccompetitioncompany.com. What I'm going to do now is just show you around the bike, show you how to start it. We can see what you think. First of all, there is an ignition key, which is on the other side of the air filter, which needs to be on. There is an oil tap on this bike as well, which is here, and this needs to be on in line with the pipe. Two fuel taps, and they both need to be on. One is a reserve, but I never know how much fuel is in them. You tickle both your carbs here and give it a go. Ignition key on here. There's a choke on the handlebars here. I will show you all of these things when the bike is on. We can have a little walk around. It's got a lot of compression, a 750 Fastback. Well, Commandos in general do. They're a nice firm push. So I have had it running today, about 5 minutes ago, so it was nice and warm. So it wasn't too hard to start. When it is cold, you just need your choke on. It seems to start quite easily. Tickle both your carbs. Yeah, it's a really, really nice bike. I really love the kind of British racing green colours on classic bikes. I think it really suits them. Fastback model having this different tailpiece, as you can see there, kind of extends over the back wheel. Really nice condition. Alley flange rims, nicely polished. The 750 engine. So nice and shiny. Twin leading front brake with the air vent there. Yeah, just a very handsome bike and sounds pretty good too. Lovely machine. So there we have it. That's the Norton Commando Fastback, available to win December 2024. Go to the website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, grab a ticket. They're $2.99 and you could be taking this beauty home. And good luck if you enter. And thank you.